Hello friends, welcome to my channel VENUSTECHPULSE. In the previous video, we have learned difference between for and while loop and also the del statement, how to use del statement. Now in today's class, I must explain you about del statement. Suppose S is a variable which contains a string, that is Sachin. Print S, that means it will print the string whatever will be there in the S, that is Sachin. Maybe it is I am writing Sachin, but I have written Sachin, but in many places somebody did write soda. Delete S. Delete S means after printing the S or string, delete the S. Okay, that it is a valid statement. But del S of 0, del S of 0, this is a list. This is a list, so it cannot be possible. Type error. String does not support item deletion. Item deletion cannot be supported by Python. So now our next chapter or the next topic is deletion. Difference between deletion and none. Deletion and none. Deletion and none. In case delete, the variable will be removed and we cannot access the variable. Unbind operation. We cannot access the variable, that variable. Unbind operation, that is called unbind. S is equal to Sachin, del S, print S. This is the name error. Name S is not defined because we are already deleting the name. This is Sachin. We are deleting the name, then we are printing. If the printing is done and the deletion is done after printing, it will be okay. But now deletion is the first function to do, and then the print function. But in case of non-assignment, the variable won't be removed, but the corresponding object is eligible for garbage collection. That is called rebind operation. Hence, after assigning with none value, we can access that variable. See, S is equal to Sachin, S is equal to none, print S. This is using none is the rebind operation, and using del operation, that is called unbind operation. So friends, today's our topic on the difference between del and none has been completed. Now we are going to start our new topic, string data type. Okay, string data type. So what is string? What is string? Any sequence of character within either single quotes is considered as a string. Single or double quotes as a considered string. S is equal to double quote Sachin, S is equal to single quote Sachin. Note in most the note is in most of other language like C, C++, Java, a single character within single quote is treated as character type value. But in Python, we are not having the character data type. Hence, it is treated as string only. So Python doesn't have any character data type, only string data type. But in C, Java, you can find character and also string data type. So here ch is equal to a, type ch, class str. We can use this triple quotes. We can use triple quotes to use quotes or double quotes as symbol inside string. Now there are some example. S is equal to this is single quote symbol because it is invalid. But S is equal to single inverted comma single quote symbol. This is a valid. This is valid. Single quote is valid in this example. S is equal to double quote, this is single quote symbol, valid. S is equal to single quote, this is double quotes symbol, valid. S is equal to single quote, double quotes, the double quotes Python, double quotes close is a language, triple quotes, double quotes close, single quote close, valid. Assessing character of a string. Assessing character of a string. There are two ways to access character. There are two ways to access character in Python. Accessing character of a string in Python, there are two ways. The first way is using index, and the second way is by using slice operation. And accessing character by using index, there are some characteristics. What are the characteristics? Python support both positive and negative index. Positive index means left to right, forward direction, left to right, forward direction, left to right, forward direction, from left to right, from your left hand to right hand in the forward direction. And negative means right to left, from your right hand side to left hand side, that is called backwards direction. So friend, for today I am just ending here, because I have many tutorial to go, and I will be back with various string data type operation in our next video. So till then, goodbye. If you like my video, please like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt with Python oriented language, then you can go through my I button, click on I button, and you can go through my Python language playlist, where you can get all the videos from beginning. Thank you friends for today. Okay, bye bye.